Another commonly asked question by new affiliate marketers is how do you actually build an email list and make money from it? So in this video, we are going to do just that. We are going to go step by step how to actually build an email list and the different ways to make money from it. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to actually help you make money online and not just to put money into my own pockets. And if you want to be added to this globe, simply reply or comment down below with your city, state, province, country, and I'll get you pinned. All right, so as I mentioned, what we're gonna do today is we are going to go step by step and looking at the components of email marketing, and we're going to actually build a list. And at the end of this video, I'm gonna show you how you can get over 300 done for you subject lines and email sequences that you can plug right into your business and start using today. All right, so let's go ahead and jump into my computer and I'm gonna show you how to get up and running. When it comes to email marketing, you need to find a way to get in front of people. And as you can see on my screen here, I have traffic. Traffic is how we're going to get in front of people. We are going to create content, whether it's free or whether it's paid, and then we are going to send people to something called a landing page. A landing page is simply a one-page website or web page that we're going to use to get in front of our target audience. Now, on our landing page, we're going to have a headline, we're going to have a subheadline, and then we are going to have an input box for the name, an input box for the email, and then a submit button. Now, in a previous video, I actually showed you step-by-step how to build a landing page. I'm gonna link that in the description so that you can check out that video as well. That's a nice video to watch after this one so that you can know exactly what type of landing page to build. So as you know, the purpose of a landing page is just to collect emails. You are going to offer something in exchange for their email. That thing is called a lead magnet. And that lead magnet is going to be something that your target audience finds value. It can be something like digital planners, it can be checklists, it can be a blueprint, it could be a mini course. Whatever it is, your target audience has to find value from it. So what's gonna happen is when your target audience enters their name, their email, and then presses submit, they are going to be added to our email list. That's how you're gonna start building your list. Now, what I like to use when it comes to building a landing page is something called ClickFunnels. You can do the exact same thing with Aweber or GetResponse. I'm going to put a link down to GetResponse in the description. It's an affiliate link. If you want to use it, you can. Obviously, you don't have to. But this is what we're going to do. They're going to enter in their name, their email, and press submit. As soon as they press submit, they're going to get taken to a thank you page. That thank you page is going to say something like, thanks for signing up, thanks for joining. It's going to say, thanks for signing up. Your lead magnet, your free thing that we're giving away, your lead magnet will be emailed to you, okay? And then you're actually going to do one other thing on this landing page. We are actually going to try and promote a product right on this page. We're gonna say something like, while you wait, check out the best X for Y, all right? Now, the products that you're going to recommend are products that are recommended for your niche. For example, if you're in the pet niche, you're the dog niche, you're gonna recommend 3 products that are going to solve a problem for the target audience. These affiliate links are going to be links to products that are relevant to your niche. For example, if we are in the pet niche, one affiliate link could be a pet training, a puppy training course, right? And when they click on this affiliate link and make a purchase, we can earn commission. So one could be a course, one could be maybe dog treats or dog toys, and one could be something fun like the best sleep bed for a dog. So I recommend having about 3 links here. You don't want to go too many more than 3. I think 5 is too much, but 3 is a good number, okay? And so to be perfectly honest with you, only about 15% of people are going to click on your affiliate links. So you may do this and wonder why it's not working. It's working, but only 15% of the people are going to click and buy right away. The other are going to need to build a relationship with you. When it comes to email marketing and when it comes to creating content online, most people don't buy right away, hence the 15%. Most people, it takes between 5 and 12 touch points before a viewer or a lead or someone that's interested actually buys. And that's why email marketing is so powerful. So this is what we're going to do. We are simply going to send out emails, and there are two types of emails, which we're going to cover in just a moment. The two types of emails are called autoresponder emails and broadcast emails. Autoresponder emails are emails that go out on your behalf every single day or as frequently as you want them to. All right. And as you can see here, we are building out this autoresponder. Now, what you can do is you can set up autoresponder emails ahead of time that are touching on your target audience's pain point. The first email that we're going to send is a welcome email with a lead magnet. So our lead magnet is going to be included. Now, make sure you are always sending out the lead magnet because you want to help build trust. These other ones are going to be different relationship building type emails. For example, if we're targeting pets, we might send out an email about 3 tips to help your dog sleep through the night, or 3 ways to prevent your dog from biting your baby, whatever it might be. You want to build a relationship. And then inside each one of these emails, we're going to have a call to action to get them to purchase a product. Again, that product is going to be related to your niche. If we're in the pet niche and we're promoting the brain training for dogs, we can add a call to action at the bottom of each email that says, hey, look, if you want a faster, easier way to get your dog to sleep through the night or to stop biting, check out this course, which will help solve problem X, Y, and Z. And so what we can do here is we can actually set up an email sequence where we send out 5 emails that are going towards this one affiliate product. And the real benefit of email marketing as an affiliate marketer is that we can partner with 5 different companies, 5 different brands, and set up an autoresponder sequence targeting those different brands. So let's say, for example, we do a 5 email sequence for brain training for dogs. Your target audience may or may not buy it. What we can do next is we can actually set up another sequence in our autoresponder targeting a different product within the same niche. So the first 5 are brain training for dogs. This next one might be a ebook that helps your target audience find the right food, because food might be an issue, organic food or food that is not harmful. And again, we can send off these emails automatically with the autoresponder sequence. This is how you can make more money with fewer subscribers or fewer customers. Most people think that you need to have 10 million subscribers to make a decent living with affiliate marketing, when in reality, the key is, and I'm gonna highlight this green, the key is building this email list and sending out emails to your target audience that they need, that will help them solve a problem, okay? And this is the power of an autoresponder. And the cool thing is you can always add to the end of your autoresponder sequence. It could go on forever promoting products as long as they're relevant to your target audience. So let me just put down over here, we have, let's add to this. So after lead magnet, we have a landing page, thank you page, and then we have autoresponder sequence, all right? And the final step for email marketing is something called broadcast emails. Now, broadcast emails are emails that are, I like to call one-off emails that you are sending to people that are no longer on your autoresponder sequence. And with broadcast emails, I like to send these broadcast emails out if there is new information. For example, let's say I created a new YouTube video. I can send off a broadcast email. I can also send off a broadcast email if there is like a sale or discount. Or you can just send out a broadcast email if you want feedback from your target audience. For example, you could say, hey, I'm doing a survey. Which would you prefer? Or I need more information to give you better content. Which would work out best for you? Which do you prefer? We can say something like polls and questions, okay? Now, it's important to note that you only send out broadcast emails or autoresponder emails. You don't want to be sending out both types of emails to your target audience. And this is where something called list segmentation comes in. Now, what I like to do is I will send out broadcast emails, and then let's say they get to day 20 of my email sequence, they will automatically be sent over to my broadcast email. list and then removed from my normal email list. This is the best way to track results. This is the best way to make money online because you don't need millions of followers. You don't need millions of subscribers. You just need to segment your list and you need to create content and send them to a landing page. This is really the only thing that you need. And you can do this if you're doing free traffic, if you're doing paid traffic. This process is the exact same. Now, this should really be everything that you need. Now, let me talk about how you can get access to over 300 subject lines and email sequences for these given niches. I have this exclusive membership called House of Affiliates. And within House of Affiliates, I teach new affiliate marketers how to get up and running step by step. Now, if you click the first link in the description, you'll get access to free affiliate marketing planners. But on the next page, you would get access to what's called House of Affiliates. Now, I have included these email sequences, which is done for them, as well as 350 subject lines so that they can input this right into their business. You can use these subject lines to send out broadcast emails, and then you can also use these email sequences as templates to put into your autoresponder sequence. So if you're struggling to get up and running with email marketing, you're not sure what to do, take a look at these templates. Make sure that you're modifying them. Don't just plug and play them right into your autoresponder. Make sure that you're modifying them so that they make sense. But this should actually save you time and save you energy. If you want access to these email sequences and subject lines, go ahead and click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch this video next because YouTube says it will help you grow your online business.